A modest 1.9% increase is forecasted for Polygon by digital coin price by tomorrow. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. Polygon is now down 2.8% since yesterday and trades just under 7 cents. Let's see what the analysts predict today. According to digital coin prices projection, the price may go up to 7 cents tomorrow, a move that suggests a gain of 1.9%. Gov Capital Collector believes Polygon may approach 7 cents. That's an increase of about 1%. According to coin price forecast, it might be heading toward 7 cents, an increase estimated at 0.4%. Another analysis from 30 Rates highlights Polygon could move upward toward 7 cents, roughly 0.1% higher. And finally, Traders Union expects 7 cents by July 1, a 3.9% decrease. This one stands out for return. All forecasts are now in. Let's move ahead. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decrease of 3.9% to an increase of 1.9%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Traders Union takes the lead with 3.9% gain in value by July 1. This means you could see a return of between $1 and $39 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, 30 Rates has the forecast most likely to succeed with a 91.3% chance. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Consensus expectation put Polygon almost unchanged, around 7 cents. Let's dive into the numbers. The consensus forecast shows a possible price decline of 0.1% by tomorrow. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.1%. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $1 in return. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 91.3%. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. Polygon is projected to gain further. Digital coin price also suggests. Also, Gov Capital Collector sees the price heading higher. Coin price forecast highlights a neutral short-term stance. Similarly, 30 Rate signals a short-term move lower. Traders Union emphasizes a downward trajectory. The consensus suggests Polygon will stay close to its current price over the next 3 days. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for Polygon. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at 7 cents. Only 2 out of 5 correctly forecast the direction of the move. The most accurate forecast this round came from Gov Capital Collector. Let's break it down now. Yesterday's candle included 3 forecasts. For ROI performance, everyone gained, but digital coin price had the most notable result. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. In comparison, coin price forecast was assigned a forecast probability of 86.6% in accuracy and 1.2% ROI. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between Polygon and a few others. In this comparison, PEEP comes first with 1.4% ahead of Polygon. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and a more detailed return comparison is already published on my website. If you came here for Polygon, I hope it helped. Drop a like if it did. Take care.